Recently, the CEO of Instagram, Adam Mosseri, apologies if I've mispronounced his name, has been on a massive media interview stream, and he's been talking to a lot of influencers, a lot of companies, blogs, etc., as well as writing his own blog and explaining the ins and outs of Instagram. I don't know why. He's never really explained why, but there's some interesting things to pick up on it. And what I want to do in this podcast is I wanted to share with you a little segment that I took from it that will help you rank higher on Instagram and the algorithm, and also as well get more visibility to your profile. But before we begin and before we delve into this, welcome aboard. My name is Mark Simpson. I give hosts all over the world the tools, the tactics, the training, but most importantly, the confidence to go and get their own direct bookings. And social media plays a part of that, which is why in this episode, we're going to talk about Instagram. Now, to start with, hands up in the comments, leave your handles. Who has got an Instagram account? So at whatever your handle is, Boostly's is at Boostly UK. Please let me know below. Secondly, how much time do you spend on this platform? I know personally speaking, this is my favorite app. I love Instagram over all the other apps that are out there. I love being able to play with the features and the tools like reels and stories and videos, etc. And when I see people talking about this social media platform, I do pay attention. Now, in the blog post, there was one little segment that I picked out, and I made some notes, I've typed it up, and I want to share it on my screen with you now. So, for feed posts, Instagram looks at how likely a user is to. So when you hit that post on your page, and when people are on the scroll, Instagram judges these things based on how likely it is going to show you the next time somebody's on the platform. So spends a few seconds on your posts, comments on your post, likes a post, saves a post, and tap on your profile picture associated with said post. So let's dig into these a little bit, shall we? So when you hit a post and somebody's on the scroll, say that someone's scrolling, and they see your post and they stop and then they come back. It's that stopping of the scroll that Instagram is keen on. Now you may be thinking, well, how does Instagram know that? Instagram knows everything about you. Every single touch, movement where your finger or your thumb is on the app, Instagram knows about. So when you can get someone to stop and actually come back to your post and hover over it, that is a key indicator in Instagram and how it will show you to that user in a future post. Now, obviously, commenting on a post and liking a post are obvious into ranking details. We've known this since day one. But saving a post is also a key metric as well. Now, I don't know if you know this, but you can save this video right now. If you look on your Instagram, so if you're watching this video on Instagram, if you look to the bottom right-hand corner of this video, you will see a little symbol that has a save option. It looks like a bookmark. If you tick that, if you tap that, then it will save it for you to watch later. And again, that is a key indicator to Instagram that you, the user, is liking this content. So why not give it a test? Why not give it a tap right now? Look down there if you're watching this on Instagram, tap it and see what happens. Now also as well, as you are in the scroll, as you are in the feed, those people that will go and click on your profile picture to come and see more of you, that is another key metric. So the next question is, how can we take this information that we have been given from Instagram and how can we then best put it into practice? Number one, you can create an image that is going to stop the scroll. There are software like canva.com, a free tool, which is great for this, for help creating scroll stopping images. But also as well, can you create something that you will keep someone on your post for more than a few seconds? So a really cool way of this, and you see this quite a lot, is when you have a post, you can actually add up to 10 images to a post, 9 or 10 images to a post on Instagram. So if you create a bit of content and you've got where it's a slide where they can tap, and it'll go to the next, go to the next, go to the next. For example, you could put pictures of your property up. Then it will keep people on your post for more than a few seconds, which is again is a key metric. Now, can you encourage somebody to comment? So can you ask a question? Can you get them to like your post? Can you get them to save? And you see this a lot. If you go on the scroll now, so if you're on Instagram, if you scroll up and scroll down, you'll see a lot of posts that are asking people to maybe save this for the future. But again, how can you incorporate that? How can you do so? How can you make someone stick around? Now, obviously Reels, Instagram Reels is one of the newer features from Instagram. And this is a great way of keeping somebody on your profile for more than a few seconds, because it is a 25-second video played with music, and you can create cool little graphics and titles and captions that people will want to watch and stick around and watch more. So hence why Reels get so many views. And again, if you've been creating Instagram Reels for your business, you will see that you can get thousands upon thousands of views for a 25-second video. If you compare that to a normal post that you've done, which maybe has 1 or 2 likes, it's a great way of getting more and more views. So take this podcast episode and use it to your advantage when you are trying to create content on Instagram. Now, if you are stuck, need help, haven't got the time, and just want somebody to do it for you, boostlycontentcreator.com, BOOSTLY, contentcreator.com, £5 a month. We will create 30 to 40 pieces of content that you can use on Instagram, but not only Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, you name it. Every single month there's new content, fresh content for you. £5 a month means you never have to think about it again. Scroll stopping content that will help you grow your business. For everybody else, have a little think about what you can do. Go and look at what other people are doing. A real good hashtag to do a bit of research is #BookDirect or #Airbnb host. Good places to go and get a bit of inspiration, and then take inspiration from that and put it into practice into your Instagram. Again, leave your Instagram comments below. I look forward to following every single one of you. I'll be back tomorrow with another daily podcast. Until then, stay awesome, be proactive, don't be reactive, and let's go and get some bookings, shall we?
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.